Hello everyone, I'm Shauriyajit and today I will be explaining and demonstrating the pollution mapping device that I created. But before I go ahead and start that, I would like to explain a little background story of where all this came from. So I lived abroad for 7 years in a country in the southeast of Asia called Brunei. And then after those 7 years, once I shifted back to India, I realized I had this intermittent or maybe seasonal breathing issue. That's what we thought in the beginning. And then whenever it came, we visited doctors, and doctors mostly said that this was due to the high pollution levels that my lungs are not used to. And then after further research, we realized that that was true, that my lungs were not used to the high pollution levels in India, because in Brunei there wasn't much pollution at all. And then once I realized my problem, I thought that many others will be suffering the same way as I am. And that's when I thought that I could create a system that will accurately measure the pollution level in every cross section of a city, and then you'll accurately get a detailed chart based on that, and then you'll be able to prepare your air conditioners and air purifiers accordingly. Okay, now let's see how this whole thing will work with the help of this chart. So firstly, as you can see, the gas sensor and the camera will send both its data to the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which I'm using over here. And then from there, the microcontroller will send the data to the GSM module, which will via Wi-Fi transfer the data to the internet, where it will find its ThingSpeak cloud. And then over there, all the current pollution levels will be set up in a chart, and then that data set will get sent into the ThingSpeak air pollution database, where it will go through a machine learning algorithm, and you'll get your prediction in the end, where you'll have both the current pollution levels, particulate matter levels, and all that, along with a prediction of if the pollution continues like this, how the pollution will look in the future. Okay, so what you're seeing over here is the gas sensor and its results coming up live. So I just lit up a matchstick and I'll just let it burn for a few seconds. Okay, now as you can see, smoke is coming up from the matchstick, and when I capture it in the gas sensor, you can see the value instantly shoots up to 200 plus, and before it was 100. So this is the prototype functioning of the gas sensor. Okay, so over here what you're seeing is the particulate matter sensor and its values. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and hold an incense stick in front of the particulate matter sensor. So now as I hold it, gradually while the particulate matter falls, what you should be seeing is that the value is slowly rising up. And yes, so from the particulate matter that is falling on the particulate matter sensor, the value rises up, and after rising from a certain level, it gives an error.